The lecture method of teaching is a traditional instructional approach where the teacher delivers a spoken presentation of information to a group of students, usually in a structured and continuous manner. It primarily involves one-way communication, with the teacher as the central figure imparting knowledge, while students listen and take notes. This method is commonly used in higher education and large classroom settings to efficiently cover a large amount of content. While it allows for the delivery of comprehensive material, it often limits student interaction and active participation. The lecture method of teaching has several merits, including 1. Efficient coverage. It allows the teacher to cover a large amount of content in a relatively short time. 2. Cost-effective. Requires minimal resources and infrastructure. 3. Instructor control. Gives the teacher full control over the pace, content, and structure of the lesson. 4. Standardization. Ensures consistency in the information delivered to all students. 5. Ideal for large groups. Suitable for teaching large classes, where interactive methods may be impractical. 6. Foundation building. Good for introducing new topics or concepts, especially theoretical ones. 7. Time management. Well-planned lectures help in maintaining class schedules and curriculum timelines. 8. Teacher-centered clarity. Complex topics can be simplified and explained clearly by an experienced instructor. Here are the demerits of the lecture method of teaching specifically. 1. Passive learning. Students listen more and engage less, which can hinder deep understanding. 2. Limited student participation. Minimal opportunities for discussion, questioning, or collaboration. 3. One-way communication, mostly teacher-centered, which may not cater to individual learning needs. 4. Less effective for skills development, not suitable for teaching practical or hands-on skills. 5. Difficult for slow learners, students who struggle may fall behind without personalized support. 6. Boredom and low motivation. Lectures can become monotonous, leading to student disengagement. 7. Lack of immediate feedback. Teachers may not realize if students are confused or not following. 8. Dependence on teachers. Style. The effectiveness heavily depends on the teacher's clarity, voice, and delivery style. The lecture method of teaching can be adapted in several ways depending on the subject, audience, and learning objectives. Here are the main types of lecture methods. 1. Formal lecture. Traditional, instructor-centered method. The teacher delivers content with little to no student interaction, best for delivering large amounts of information quickly. 2. Informal lecture. More interactive than a formal lecture. Allows occasional student participation or questions during the session. 3. Illustrated lecture. Uses visual aids like slides, diagrams, videos, or charts to support verbal explanations, helpful in enhancing understanding and retention. 4. Demonstration lecture. The instructor demonstrates a process or experiment while explaining it, common in science, engineering, or technical education. 5. Interactive lecture. Integrates active learning strategies such as discussions, polls, or problem-solving during the lecture. Encourages student engagement and feedback. 6. Team teaching lecture. 2 or more instructors share teaching responsibilities. Provides diverse perspectives and can break monotony. 7. Guest lecture. An external expert delivers the lecture, offers specialized knowledge or real-world insights.